Hi guys, in today's video we will be talking about self-care. What is self-care? Self-care होता क्या है? Self-care का मतलब ये होता है कि लाइफ के हर एक एरिया में आप खुद के ऊपर भी थोड़ा फोकस करो, चाहे वो इमोशनल हो, चाहे वो फिजिकल हो या चाहे वो मेंटल हो। आपको अपने ऊपर केयर के लिए भी थोड़ी टाइम इन्वेस्ट करनी होती है फॉर योर वेलबींग। सेल्फ केयर करना कोई ऐसी हैबिट नहीं है कि आप टाइम मिलने की वेट करोगे, जब एक्स्ट्रा टाइम होगा तब हम सेल्फ केयर की तरफ ध्यान देंगे। इनफैक्ट सेल्फ केयर के ऊपर आपको डेली फोकस करना चाहिए, डेली कुछ टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए और इसको अपनी लाइफस्टाइल का पार्ट बनाना चाहिए ताकि आप बाकी एरियाज पे भी अच्छे से फोकस कर पाए। इट इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मेक श्योर टू टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी, माइंड एंड सोल every day, not just when you get sick. Self-care routine, in my opinion, is a really very important part of a healthy lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to share some self-care ideas that you can incorporate into your routine. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. The first self-care idea is cleaning and organizing. Whenever your environment is messy, you automatically feel upset. So getting rid of the clutter in your environment will help you de-stress and focus better. Cleaning can also be a satisfying process since after organizing your things, you yourself feel organized. Studies show that unorganized homes causes stress and anxiety in many people, but we often don't recognize it as an anxiety trigger or a possible source of stress until we clean it up. Clutter offers more distractions without even realizing it. The mess in our homes makes it less productive. We all hold on to things we don't need, whether we think we'll use them eventually and then never do. Our homes are full of junk that serves no other purpose than to take up space. तो डेली 5 to 10 minutes क्लीनिंग में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. After some time, you will develop the habit of putting things back into where they belong. That way, you won't have to put in much effort to keep your environment tidy. Another idea for self-care is journaling. When I first heard about it, I thought it was something childish, but it's not like that at all. Writing your thoughts down on a piece of paper or in a diary can help you clear your mind and understand yourself and your feelings better. It feels really relaxing and de-stressing to get things out of your mind. It can also be fun to read your journal in few years and see where your mind was at during a certain period of your life. No matter what hobbies you take up, everyone should make a habit of journaling. Journaling trains your brain to search for positive things instead of focusing on the negatives in your life. Over time, this habit rewires your brain in a way that benefits every area of your life. Another benefit of journaling is that not only does it give you the opportunity for introspection, but it also gives you the space to write down your goals, track your progress, and keep yourself accountable. Next, let's talk about skincare. Having a pamper routine is super fun, and dedicating some time out of your day to take care of your body will make you feel better about yourself. No matter what your skin type is, a daily skincare routine can help you maintain overall skin health and improve specific concerns like acne, dark spots. मैं स्किन केयर के तरफ पूरा ध्यान देती हूँ। ये एक ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है आप तब करोगे जब आपके घर पे कोई गेस्ट आने वाले हैं या फिर कोई फंक्शन आने वाले हो। मेरे लिए स्किन केयर एक डेली रूटीन का पार्ट है। जो भी स्किन केयर होता है मॉर्निंग इवनिंग मैं उसे प्रॉपर फॉलो करती हूँ। So the next one is getting outside. Getting outside and going for a walk is a great and completely free self-care practice that you can try every day. Getting some fresh air into your system can be really energizing and it has multiple health benefits. So try getting outside and explore a nearby area you have never paid much attention to, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun. Learning new things every day. Something that I quite often do in my self-care routine is learning about new things that I'm interested in. It can be anything, cooking, digital marketing, graphic designing इसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट हो तो take the advantage of this time you have at your home to learn something new. Whether it's a hobby that you have always wanted to pick up or a language that you want to learn, whatever you are wanting to learn, we are so fortunate that we live in a digital age where you can easily access anything. Learning new things and skills that actually interest you can be really exciting. The world is full of knowledge, so there is something new out there to learn every single day. Doing so will expand your knowledge and bring a new sense of entertainment to your day. Take a digital detox. In today's world, we are constantly connected and it can be exhausting. Sometimes we just need a break. Be selective about who you follow and what tools you are using, and take time to disconnect. Take a few moments to sit and reflect the last time you got on social media. How did you feel afterwards? Did you feel positive, encouraged, and uplifted, or did you find yourself feeling down and not having a positive outlook? If you answered feeling down, I would encourage you to either do a social media fast where you for a period of time just stop using social media. So limiting the amount of time you spend on social media can be really healthy way and you will be able to focus on things that are going to be more productive than endless scrolling. Going to bed early. Getting enough sleep is so important for good health. Can have a huge effect on how you feel both emotionally and physically. Despite our hectic schedule, we should maintain our regular sleep routine in order to feel refreshed and genuinely enjoy life. Watch meaningful content that inspires you. What we watch can have a really big impact on our mood. I have noticed that when I watch certain channels, I feel more uplifted, refreshed, and calm. And I think watching channels like this is a really good form of self-care because it makes you feel more inspired and positive. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.